Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this tutorial, we're going to explore Print Preview in Google Slides. So if I've got a slide deck or a presentation and I'm going to print it, I can go to File, and before I run it through the printer, I might want to take some time to look at exactly how it's going to appear, because if you don't, guaranteed it's not going to come out the way you think it will. So click on Print Preview, and this is what it's going to show you. It opens up a whole new viewing window. Here I have one slide per page. Notice that the page that is showing me appears to be 8.5 by 11. Or I can change the layout here. I can do one slide with notes, which will leave room. I can do handout with 4 slides per page. Even though there's only 2 in here, I can change from portrait to landscape. So I do have some control over how this will print, how many slides will print on each piece of paper. That might help conserve paper. And then when you're ready and it looks the way you want, you can just click on the print icon here. And it should open up your print window, whatever that looks like on your machine. And then you just run it through whatever printer you have available and would like to use. So you can print Google Slides. You can control how many slides show up per page, and you can control the orientation of those pages. So, if you're going to print these, make sure it's going to come out right exactly the way you want. But you can do that using the Print Preview.